So, hey. we got a big boy to go through today. I'm laughing because I've been so excited to open this, and it's been a while since I got it. I got it like last month, and I just never had the chance. Never had the chance this whole long time. So, finally, we're gonna go for it. We're gonna try and get some ghost rares. This is a Ghost from the Past, the Second Haunting display box. So let's get out the scissors and display this bad boy. Try not to damage anything, but it does have a nice little spot right there I can dig into. Isn't that nice? Ooh, hell yeah. Oh man, I was considering not even opening this, but how could I not open this? God. It's a brick, dude. Wow. So how does this work? This lift up. Hello? There you go. Come on. Ooh. And then this pops up. And then this part slides in. Oh man, just like how you see it at the stores. Back up a little bit. Get a good view of that. Get a good view of this. Oh, get that out of the way. Wow. Five bad boys in there. That's 20 packs. So, let's not drag it on too long. Let's go ahead and start getting them. We'll just go in order. Wow. And I'm going to have to use the scissors each and every time, aren't I? Man, I wish I did this for the last Ghost from the Past. Come on. Ugh. Oh, by the way, new backdrop here. Slightly different. Hope you like it. Kind of looks like your grandma's embroidery, but I like it. I think it looks nice. It's cozy. Oh boy. Gonna have to go a little faster than this, huh? There we go. That should be good. There you go. There you go. Yeah, I really wish I did this for the first Ghost from the Past. Those are so much cooler. The boxes were all so much cooler. They're all like little mini display boxes. These are just, you open them like this and the packs come out. You know, whatever. Oh, there's one more. It's whatever. So, what do I want? There are so many cool cards in this set. Of course I want the Ghost Rares, but I also am really looking for Crystal... What is it called? Ultimate Crystal Beast Rainbow Dragon. So let's go for him. Alright. Geomathmech Final Sigma. Cool. Sigma Male. DD Swirl Slime. I kind of like that. He's really dark, but I do like that. That's cool. DDD Destiny Hero Zero Lapis. I think I got that one already. Come on. Tenyi Spirit Mapura. Okay. And Rare Fish. Whatever. Actually, yeah, Rare Fish is a pretty good one to get. I don't think I got that one before, so I like that. Man, how long is this video gonna be? If it drags on for too long, if it starts getting too much, I may split it in two. I could go for opening the rest another day anyway. So, we'll go as much as we can in the meantime, though. Bluebeard, the Plunder Patrol Shipwright. Plunder Patrol. The Sanctuary in the Sky, very cool. Rise of the Mega Monarch, very cool. Very cool. Dot Scaper. Weird. And on the end, DD Necro Slime. Oh, interesting. Interesting little subtype of DD slimes. Never seen those before. Unless I did and I don't remember. But no, I don't think I have. Okay. 9 Pillars of the Yang Zing. Oh, interesting. Yang Zing. I don't know what that is, actually. Doppel Warrior. Cool, cool. Oh, we did it. We did it really quickly. We did it in the first box. We did it on the third pack. Oh my god, we got Dark Arm Dragon Ghost Rare. What the fuck? What the fuck? What am I holding? Oh, wow. What the fuck? Ghost Rare Dark Arm Dragon. That's so sick. Oh my god. Okay. Just very carefully put him there. I can't even look at that. Look at the card, dude. Yeah, it's oh, that's so cool. We got so much more to go. What's that say? Cockatoриum, the heavy metal avian. Okay. And Fossil Machine Skullwagon. What the fuck? We already got a Ghost Rare, dude. We already got a Ghost Rare. That was the 3rd pack. Or no, that was the 4th pack. Because this is the 5th. No. 4. Yeah, that was the 3rd pack. This is the 4th pack of that box. In the 1st box, we got a fucking Ghost Rare. Are you kidding me? That thing was sitting here that whole time and I didn't open it? Are you kidding me? I thought about not opening this shit. Are you fucking serious? Angel of Judgment Saturn. Executive of the Underworld Pluto. Cool. Outburst Dragon. That's pretty fucking cool. Deskbot 001. And on the end, the Sanctum of Parshat. I thought that was another. It's not another. It's not Ghost Rare, is it? No, there's some blue up there. It's just very white, right? Man, I can't tell. No, because the name is gold. The Ghost Rare name is white. Yeah, the name is gold. This isn't Ghost Rare. You can see blue in it. I'm tripping. It's just a very white card. That's crazy. What the fuck? Dude, we already got a Ghost Rare. We're only 1 through. It's been 7 minutes. Ah. That is unbelievable. Come on. 7 minutes. 7 minutes in. I got kind of a head rush. Oh my god, dude. I need to calm down. Okay, moving on. Moving on if we can get my mind past the Ghost Rare we just pulled. I don't even care that it's just Dark Arm Dragon. That's a cool card. I don't care. It's Ghost Rare. That's all that I fucking care about. Are you kidding me? The big Ghost Rare to get is Dark Magician Girl. That's the one everybody wants, but I don't care. I'm happy with any. Blue Eyes would be cool. Cyber Dragon would be cool. This is cool. This is cool too. Wow. We pulled a fucking Ghost Rare. That's it. I'm very happy with this. And we got more to go. Hoping for that Rainbow Dragon. Void Cauldron. Alien Ammonite. Cool. That's a good one for aliens, right? Agent of Life Neptune. Insector Hornet. And the Agent of Mystery Earth. So is he always gonna... Is the Ghost Rare slot in the middle, or can it be any of the cards? Actually, this is a cool card I didn't pay enough attention to. That's kind of nice. So yeah, did that reveal like the format for where the Ghost Rare would be in the pack? Right in the middle? I would like that. I would like it if it's always in the middle, because that means it's kept safe from all the knocking around and stuff. This is another very white card. Heavenly Dragon Circle. Cool. Ghost Trick Succubus. Love it. DDD Vice King Requiem. Okay. Ghost Trick Dullahan. Oh, I don't have that one. I don't have that one yet. Cool. And Vampire Sucker. Do have that one. Okay. 2 more for this box. Holy shit, dude. Got a Ghost Rare already. Ghost Trick Spectre. Love that one. I have that one up on the wall now. Right here. There he is. See him? See him? I like that card. The Ghost Tricks are good. Vampire Kingdom. Cute. Vision Hero Increase. Why is it not focused? There you go. Vampire Takeover. And the Agent of Miracles, Jupiter. Ooh. Cool. I don't know what those agent cards are all about. That's strange. Okay. Lerahe, the god of archery. Okay. This guy got a bow and arrow. Good for him. Tenyi Spirit Ashuna. That's kind of cool. That's a cool card. I'm skipping one. Fossil Warrior Skull Knight. That's like an old school card. That's cool. Contract with the Void. Ooh, Infernity support. Interesting. And DD Lamia. This is one of the ones I wanted. I like that. Box number 3. I'm trying to go quickly, if you haven't noticed. I'm trying to get through it. I'm tired of this thing sitting here, unopened. I mean, there could be another Ghost Rare in here, and I won't even know it until I get through. The thought of that has been eating me. I need to open these things. Why is this one so hard to rip? There you go. I hope you guys get some Ghost Rares too when you open these. It's been rough sometimes, you know? Going for these Ghosts from the past sets. This is the first Ghost Rare I get from it. Can't all afford to go crazy with these, you know? And even this, I'm going a little bit crazy. Buying a whole one of these display set. But I feel like it was worth it. Now, if I don't get that Rainbow Dragon that I want, though, that will be a little disappointing. Okay. Vision Hero Poisoner. Ghost Trick Stein. Rise of the Mega Monarch. Ghost Trick Dullahan. And the Sanctum of Parshith. This one's a Dark Magician Girl. I don't even know what the seeding is like. Is it even possible to get another Ghost Rare now that I've gotten one? Is it by booster box set? Or, I mean, not that display set. Is it by display set, the seeding? Shell Knight. Cool. Fists of the Unrivaled Tenyi. Okay. And, oh, I saw this one, I think. No, I didn't. Jormungandr, Generator, Boss of Eternity. What the fuck? Cool. Cool. Oh, cool effect, too. I like him. He's a good boss. Good boss monster. Let's go. Let's get in it. Let's go. What does it say? Whitebeard, the Plunder Patrol Helm. Excuse me. Oh dear. Puppet Queen. Hey, cool. I like the look of that card. Fallen Sanctuary. The Agent of Mystery Earth. Victorica, Angel of Bravery. Huh. Why does this card feel so thick? I thought I pulled 2 off. But no, that's just 1. It's 5 cards a pack. Very shiny cards. I like this set. There's a little bit of garbage on my cards over here. Near my Ghost Rare. This is taking a lot less time than I thought it would, and I'm glad. I didn't want to upload another crazy long video. Can this pack open though? Did they seal this one extra hard because it has something cool in it? Probably. No, I don't know. Angel of Judgment Saturn. Tenyi Spirit Nahata. I think I have all the Tenyi Spirits at this point. Oh, we got another Ghost Rare. We got a Cyber Dragon Ghost Rare. Oh boy. Now I really do have a head rush. What the fuck? It's hard to show how incredible these look on camera. God, there you go. That's a good angle right there. That is beautiful. You can even see, I think you can see like the normal colors of the card shining through there. You know what I mean? But that might just be because Cyber Dragon is white and blue. So it just looks like it. Oh, we got another Ghost Rare, dude. You know what Ghost Rare I've always wanted is Rainbow Dragon. I want to know what that looks like in person. Sheesh, we got another ghost rare. I was right. This is the pack that was sealed extra hard. Wow, Contract with the Void, and what's on the end? Plunder Patrol Brawn, Plunder Patrol Ship Brawn, who cares? Cyber Dragon and Dark Armed Dragon. Ghost rare, dude. What the fuck? We only got 2 to go. But we got 2 ghost rares. I knocked the camera stand. Or what I'm using as a camera stand. Face reveal? I hope not. What a way to ruin the moment. I need a better camera stand. I need a better system in place so that doesn't happen so much. I'll work on it. Ooh, came off smooth. Get off. All right. 4 more packs. I always check to make sure there's not a 5th one slipped in there or anything. Here we go. Can we get a 3rd ghost rare? I would shit my pants. Why does this pack look a little weird? Oh, they all look like... Excuse me. They all look like that. It's got lines going up and down here. What about... Yeah, they all got lines going up and down them. Weird. This one opened easy, so it doesn't have anything in it. Ha 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 ha. No, I don't know. Vampire Kingdom. Advanced Ritual Art, like that one. Aluba the Jester of Despia, that's a really good one to get. Aluba the Boober of Doober. Code Radiator. Oh, Reptilian Lamia. That's another good one that I wanted. Very cool, very cool. Got a Lamia earlier. Actually, let me see. Let me compare the two. I wonder if they're related. What was the other one called? There it is. DD Lamia. Oh no, they're not related. Fiend Tuner Effect, Reptile Tuner Effect. But cool couple cards anyway. I'll put them together. Maybe I'll display them together somewhere. I like that. The story of Lamia always interested me. Go. Ghost Trick, so cute, boss. Cool. Oh, Quintep Magician. Cool. Sky Cavalry Centauria. Ghost Trick Dullahan. And the Sanctum of Parshat, the fake ghost rare. By the way, Cyber Dragon was also in the middle, so I guess that is the slot. But maybe that's just luck of the draw. Who really knows for sure? Larahe, the God of Archery. Vision Hero Minimum Ray. Protector of the Agent's Moon. Chimeratech Mega Fleet Dragon. I'm going to read the effect of this because I have Chimeratech Rampage Dragon from earlier up there because the Chimeratechs are really cool to me. Let me get a closer look at that artwork. Whoops. Oh, that's his face there. Right here. He's alright. And Despian Tragedy. Another new one, but... Yeah. Alright. Still haven't seen Rainbow Dragon. That's the one I'm after. Mathmech Audition. Whoa, everybody look out. He can count. Ashuna. Elemental Hero Neos Kluger. Cool. What's he made out of? Oh, Neos and Yubel. Cool. Fists of the Unrivaled Tenyi. And cool. Just so many cool cards in this set. I am a little bit scared at this point because this is our last box. And I haven't seen the little Rainbow Dragon card that I want. I don't understand. It should be the same rarity as everything else, and I've seen multiple copies of other things at this point. So where's the one card that I want? I'll just get another Ghost Rare and not Rainbow Dragon. It's the one time that I'm not exactly chasing after the big chase cards. I just want one of the commons, and instead I'm going to get the big chase cards. Oh, beautiful. Last 4, babe. Whoa. Oh god. Oh god, it's all falling apart. My stamina for a video is running out. Let's get through it. Let's finish up. Let's close it out. 4 more packs. And then we're going home. Let's do it. Then I gotta wrap all these cards up and keep them safe, but yeah, whatever. Flint Cragger, Rookie Warrior Lady, Mystical Sand, Duskbot 001. Ooh, Princess Clone. These two, Mystical Sand and Rookie Warrior Lady, I also have up here now. I don't know if you saw that earlier. But yeah, I like those. Take a look. There she is. And there's up in the corner here. A lot of cool cards from this set. Had to display some of them. Actually, quite a few of the ones up there are from this set. Oh, come to think of it, that sandwich up there, I pulled that off camera. My partner sent me a box of this, and I opened it with them, and I got a sandwich. Generator Boss Stage, Nirvana High Paladin, Reptia Egg. Oh, I'm not focused. Reptia Egg. Track Black. Interesting. Shadow Vampire. Okay. 2 packs. 2 packs. This one's Cyber Dragon. Our boy. What if we get a duplicate Ghost Rare? I mean, the odds aren't nuts. If we're gonna get another Ghost Rare, the odds aren't crazy that it would be a duplicate at this point. We already have 2. There aren't that many to get. I'm trying to make sure the camera won't fall. So, code generator. Hey! Sandwich! Cool. Ghost Trick Mary. Vampire Duke. That's new. I like the vampire cards. And the Agent of Wisdom Mercury. I don't know if that's new or not, but I like it. Last one. It's Blue Eyes. Will he bring us luck? I'm stoked. I'm beyond excited that I got 2 Ghost Rares in this. Are you kidding me, dude? How cool. Alright. Ghost Trick Spectre. Good start. Good start. Let's savor this one a little. Tatsunekro. I always like this one too. Him and Ghost Spectre, I think they would be best friends. Alright, that's enough savoring. What's the middle card? Christian Halki Fabrics. That's a good one to get. Dark Contract with the Swamp King and Pendulum Area. So, where the fuck is my Rainbow Dragon? That's too bad. No Rainbow Dragon. Wow, I have a big mess to clean up now. So, no Rainbow Dragon, but pretty cool. Pretty cool stack of cards I got going on here. And 2 Ghost Rare cards. That is so fucking cool. Pretty good stack. Pretty good stack. I'm not going to go through all of them. Just like briefly jump through a couple and not even put them in focus. There's some cool cards in here, but yeah. No Rainbow Dragon. No Rainbow Dragon. I'm looking through like I'm going to see a Rainbow Dragon. Oh well. That's okay. I don't think he's that expensive to just buy on his own, so maybe I'll do that. And of course, we did get 2 Ghost Rare cards. Let me see if I can see any of the color in this guy. Any like the original color. Although that's hard to see too, because he's just red and black. Right there, maybe? I don't know. But regardless. Oh, they're so cool. This guy looks like his artwork is independently moving from the background. Like he's got some parallax on him. I don't know how they pulled that off. And Cyber Dragon. Whew. Whew. See, right there, it looks like original Cyber Dragon artwork. Maybe if I hold the other guy at the same angle. No, not really. Well, I'm very happy with this. I'm going to end this there. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being along for this. Thank you for witnessing this. I'm going to pack these boys up. I'm going to stop touching them even because I don't want to get sweat or anything on them. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I will be keeping this too. And Let me know what's next. If there's anything I should open next. If there's anything coming up, or I don't know. I'm kind of at a loss now. This was the big release that I was looking forward to. That's all I got. All right. See ya.